Hi friends, DI Studio created me. Watch to the end to see how she did that.
Hi friends, DI Studio created me. Watch to the end to see how she did that.
If you want to create a 3D talking avatar like this, or a 2D avatar like this, or a realistic talking avatar like this, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, D here. Welcome to DAI Studio. Do you ever wonder how I was brought to life from just a single image? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that for absolutely free. When I say free, I mean all tools to be used is absolutely free and easily accessible. I will cover everything from generating an avatar to inserting objects into your scenes, then animating your avatar, and finally perfectly syncing it to your voiceovers. Most importantly, I'll show you how to pull all of these pieces together into one polished video. This is a must-watch video. So, grab something to write with and let's get into it. So our first step is to generate a perfect avatar prompt suitable for our videos. This is basic, but many people don't know these tips. So the important point is to use a special terminology in your prompt so that it will give what exactly we want for our videos. So here are the important keywords you can use. First point to mention in your prompt is style. If you want to generate a 3D pixel style avatar, or 2D anime style avatar, or photorealistic style avatar, then mention those words in your prompt. Next is region. This is also an important point to mention according to your need, whatever you want your avatar to look like. For example, you want it Asian or African or American, then mention that in your prompt. Next important keyword is ambiance. Yes, this also plays an important part. Whether you want a dark, cozy ambience or a simple minimal ambience or market piece for your background, then mention those things in your prompt and also write the character details like hairstyle, skin color, clothing style, and so on as per your need.
So guys, to get started, all you have to do is to come here to meta.ai. For this video, I'm using meta.ai, and in here I've pasted my prompt. Now, it is important you choose your preferred sizes. For example, for this image here, you click it down. You choose image, right? And for your aspect ratio, you check it. If you are making a TikTok video, you choose, or a YouTube short video, you choose 9:16 aspect ratio. But for the fact that I'm using it for a YouTube video, a long form YouTube video, I'm choosing 16:19. And be 16:9 aspect. Next thing for me to do now is to send my prompt to the AI, and the AI will start creating an image for me. So while it's creating, I will hold on for it to create, then we'll continue from there. Okay, you can see in no time it has generated beautiful images for me. So I'm just going to look for the one I like, then I'm going to use it. So for this, I'll be using this one, this particular one, the fourth one. So all I have to do is to click on it. I've downloaded it. I've downloaded the file to my file. Let me see another one. Okay, let me just download this one in case. All these images are perfect, okay? By the time I animate it now, it's going to come together. So also in here, you can also animate your images, but then I won't be doing that here. Now to animate our images, you come over here to new AI. you come over to Robonio AI. Now what you are going to do here is simple. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on my gallery, okay, to upload the image we generated earlier. So this is it. I'll click on it, then I'll click on select. So I've selected this one. It's going to upload it to the AI. While uploading to the AI, all I'm going to do is for it to loop. Okay, I'm trying to copy my prompt. Make a 10-second. Okay, this is what I want to copy. So while it's here, I'm going to send in this prompt. Please remember, guys, the prompt will be in the description box and also in the comment section, so do have to look out for that. So this AI is going to loop this image for me into a 10-second video, and from there we'll continue. So while it's thinking, we'll hold on for the video to be ready. So guys, our video is ready. Let's click to watch it. Guys, can you see how amazing this video looks? I really love this video, and she's actually looking directly to the camera. So, and also if you notice, there's no watermark here. So the next thing to do is to download this image to our device. Okay, so I'm going to save this. I love the fact that this Robonio AI is very perfect and is very clean. Now the next thing for us to do is to lip sync this image. Okay, to lip sync our video to start talking whatever we want it to talk, all you have to do is to come to Dreamfaced. Okay, this is an app. When you come to the app, you click on talk and sing. Click on avatar talk and sing. So now it's going to bring you to this interface. The next thing you want to do is to click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign. I'm trying to show you. Click on this plus sign after you've done that. So to bring you to your gallery, and you pick the image we saved earlier. Now make sure you confirm. So this is the image, okay? So the next thing you do is to click on what you want your avatar to say. So I'm going to click on want avatar to say or sing. So you click on import, okay? Now I'm going to import. You can also type and use the voices on the app. But then I'm coming to my import because I have a record, a VN already. So this is the VN I want to use for the video. So yeah, this is just 16 seconds long. And remember, you can do up to 3-minute video. 3-minute long video. Yeah, yes, I'm under the pro version, so I can generate a 3-minute video from here at a go. So I'm just going to click on confirm. Then you remember to click on animate. So this is going to animate our video for us. So while we are waiting for it to load, it doesn't really take time. Let's just wait. So guys, there you go. That is how I was brought to life. If you really love to see more of this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. So guys, I've been able to show you how you can generate your avatar, animate it, and also lip sync it. And also I've given you a free AI tool to use. And trust me guys, this is unlimited. Even though you have to subscribe for it, it's worth it. and the lip syncing is 100%. So I know you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.